Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's ChimaLove. So today I'm giving you guys all tea on how I got this look, well this hair look, on how I got these two braided pigtail braids. So cute, super easy, super easy. So just follow along with the video. I have all the things you need to get from the store, all those things. So just make sure you pay attention to the video. I broke it down as much as I could. But yeah, let me know what you think about this look. Before we get into this look, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll get into it. Okay guys, so this is everything you're gonna need to get this hair look. You're gonna need some hair, some pre-stretched hair. I think that's the best to use because it makes it look more natural on the ends. So I just got one pack of pre-stretched hair. You can get two depending on how thick you want the hair to be, but I'm gonna get one and it comes with 3 little bundles in there. You're also gonna need any type of hard brush and a comb, rat tail comb. I have my hair tie. Then you're gonna need Eco Styler gel, and I just use one of the hair gels that I have just on my hair. This is the Wonder Grow Jamaican Black Castor Oil. It's just good for your hair and it makes your hair grow. So I always put this in my hair no matter what I use. And then you can either use a edge control or Got2b glue, anything like that for your edges. And then you can also use mousse. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this, it's like a rat tail comb mixed together with the edge brush, but I like how it has the metal on the end, so I'm gonna use that. And I'm gonna part my hair. You wanna make sure you part it super straight down the middle so that it can be even, because you don't wanna be done and have your hair in the ponytails and then at the end you realize it's not even, then you're not gonna be happy. Okay. So after your hair is parted evenly down the middle, that's when you're gonna want to start making, plaiting your hair to get it all flat. I'm also gonna use the Extreme Hold Gel just because it works really good on my hair. I don't know about you guys, but I really like this product, so I'm gonna use this in my hair as well. So I'm basically just gonna take it and I'm gonna plait it down. If you want to know the exact order I use, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel and I'm going to plait that first along all my hair. And then I'm going to split my hair in the inside just because I have really thick hair, and I'm going to put some in the inside and just work it through all of my hair. Okay, so after that I'm going to grab the Extreme Hold Gel and I'm going to repeat the same thing using this gel. And then after that, I just went in with my Wonder Grow Jamaican Castor Oil. And then last, I just take a little square of this Got2b glue, and then I put it in the perimeter just because I got them at the edges. So, okay, so this is what it's gonna look like after you plait it and you put in your hair. I look like a little girl in a ponytail. So this is what it's gonna look like. And then I'm gonna take this piece and I'm gonna twist it. Around itself. And I'm going to take this and I'm going to twist it. Wrap it around itself. So if you wanted to do little space lines, you could do space lines. And then I'm also going to hold that down with rubber bands just so it doesn't come undone in the braid, because that would be bad. Okay, so at this point, you've sectioned your hair off, you've plaited it, you've put in little space buns, and now we're gonna be working with our hair. So I am gonna do 1 1/2, 1 1/2. So I have 3 of these, so I'm gonna use one, and then I'm gonna split this in half and then, divide it to each of them. Just so it's enough thickness I want and it's, long as I want. So I have my one bundle, right? And then I'm going to take the other one and I'm just going to split it in half. And then I'm going to add that half to this hair. And then I am gonna take that. You can do it however you want. I want mine to be thick but long at the same time, and I don't want it to be too thick. So I'm just gonna take the piece that I used, the half, and I'm gonna put it to the side, and I'm gonna use that to add on. Okay, so I'm gonna take a little rubber band, right? And I am just going to put it through the hair like this. So then you see the hair is attached. All you do is loop it through like that. Make sure it's even. And then I am going to take this piece and I'm going to attach it to my space bun. I'm just gonna take it in my hand like this, touch it, and then I'm gonna double it just so it's secured. Done. Okay, so then it looks like this. You have your bun and you have your ponytail. Okay, and then there's so many and thens. I am going to I'm gonna do my edges and then I'm gonna do the ponytail just because I want my edges to be done. You know, I have makeup on, so you know when you do your edges and the makeup gets, but it's okay, we'll fix it later. So okay, now you got your little space bun, right? And I'm gonna take the hair in the half and I'm gonna section it off into my 3 pieces. Okay, 3 even pieces, 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna braid loose. I'm gonna do an under braid. So when I first begin my braid, I'm gonna make it a little bit looser, and I'll show you why later. But so you want to make it start off a little bit looser. So loose, 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 loose. Okay, and then I'm gonna start braiding it how I regularly would. Okay, so now that I have my braid done, right, I'm gonna take, so remember we made it loose on the ends, or like right when you started the braid, you made it loose before you started braiding tighter. So I'm gonna take that piece, or this whole braid, and I'm gonna flip it to the front, like this. And then I'm just gonna tuck my little space bun in like this. Like that. You wanna make sure you cover the entire thing. So then it goes like that. See how it's like tucked so you can't see it? Just tuck it all in. Okay? So then it's gonna be like that, and then you're gonna do the same exact thing for this one. Okay, so my 3 sections. For those of you who don't know how to braid, I'm gonna break it down real quick. All you do through my sections, you take my right hand, put it to the middle, take my left hand, bring it to the middle, right hand, bring it to the middle, left hand, bring it to the middle, and you're gonna keep repeating that 6. Remember, the ones closest to your head right now, you're gonna make looser, and then you're gonna start to tighten. And then when you're done with this braid, you're just gonna take it over to the front. So this is what it's gonna look like. And then at the end of it, I'm about to fix my edges, and then I'm gonna lay them, you know, put a little, what's it called? A little hair wrap over it so it can stay flat, and then I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like at the end. They're extra long. Oh, y'all want me to give y'all a whole look? I can do that. I could do that. Okay guys, that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope my tips helped. I tried to break it down as much as I could, but you know, I feel like it was pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory. If you have questions, please don't hesitate to leave one in the comments. If you guys want a more detailed breakdown of this, I don't know how more detail I can get, but if you want me to break it down even more, let me know. I can do that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and also turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of my future uploads. But yeah,